Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix no crank problem on Jaguar X Type 2.2 diesel. Obviously no crank no start situation may have different reasons. What I am showing you here is a very simple one which is worth trying. What you need to do is to go to the engine compartment fuse box and change fuse number 12. It should be a blue 15 amp fuse. That's all you have to do. If it doesn't work for you, then you might have a bad starter or broken cable. If this video helped to fix your problem, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.